Welcome to Best with Rice, where we make the best dishes to go with rice. And today we're making Singaporean chicken curry. So we start with our chicken, spread her legs, break her down and massage in about 3 tablespoons of curry powder. Cling wrap and leave it into the fridge until another big media company misappropriates another food culture, which shouldn't be long. And next, our rempah, put all of these ingredients into a food processor, add 2 tablespoons of oil and blitz. Or you could, put them into a pestle and mortar and take them to Pound Town, which I haven't been to for years. And who could forget the highlight of a chicken curry, the potatoes, baby! Peel, cut and deep fry, set aside for later. Medium heat, fry the rempah in the wok nice and slowly. Once your neighbour realizes you're cooking curry, add curry leaves. Stir fry and then fold in our chicken thoroughly. Next, add water and let it cook for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes so that nothing burns. Half hour before the end, add your potatoes. Time's up, turn off the heat and stir in about half a cup of coconut milk. And then we are done. Sort of. The textures are alright by now, but the flavours have yet to penetrate, so I will recommend leaving it in the wok for as long as you can. But Eldrick, I hear you ask, is this really authentic Singaporean chicken curry? No, we don't have a Singaporean chicken curry. We have Indian, Hainanese and Nonya versions here, but none of them belong to us. But I'm still gonna call it Singaporean chicken curry because I need the views, man, the views.